Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here, and guess what? Today we are going to do a Hillbrow cleanup and show you guys what's going on. I think it will be actually great. Again guys, stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. Just to give you guys an idea how many people are here today. We are at the JAG, the Johannesburg Art Gallery. This is where we're going to start today. So this is the south entrance of the JAG. Look at this. Greek style buildings. Boom. Okay guys, so I just had to go in to do something inside of the JAG. And guys, this is such a beautiful building. The arches is actually in very good condition inside. Again, I didn't see much, but such an amazing place, you know what I mean? And I think the JDA is also going to take over of this beautiful building for a revamp. So I can only imagine when this is done, you know what I mean? For the tourist side of Johannesburg to see the Johannesburg Art Gallery like functioning. There's two places in Johannesburg that I want to see fixed. One of them is the JAG, and another one is the library, which is gonna actually open very soon, guys, and I'll be there to cover. It's a little bit of fog today. Look at that big tall thing just up there. There you go.
We're live, yeah.
We're playing some energy.
We're thinking of setting up a line.
Look at this beautiful shot right here. Wow. I'm gonna make this the thumbnail of the video. Sticking this on top of the stage.
Welcome everyone present, all the stakeholders, without going into names of who are here. So from the teams that...
Okay, so we're starting now the cleanup event at 9 all the way to 11:15 more or less.
Hey, my name is Val. I'm from France and I work for the radio. I work for Radio France International, a French radio based in Paris but covering all the world. And so me, I'm based in South Africa, and today I'm covering this action to clean the CBD of Johannesburg.
So everyone is eating now, and after the breakfast we are gonna start cleaning. So we're gonna do many areas, being one of them this one, and then we're gonna do around the radius of the park, so it will be interesting to showcase all this. Let's clean the park! Yay! Those are the heroes, guys. Those are the heroes. Those are the amazing people that help us to clean everything. What's up, guys? What's up? Look at this amazing place. Let me just show you guys here the... Incredible, eh? Oh wow. McFarlane Fountain. Just put there for you guys to read it. Okay, a little bit. Just pause the video. You guys can see there. Yo, this is beautiful. This is what I call our Central Park. Incredible, really. Park, and I always think, what could we do here, guys? With coffee shops, we got a beautiful art gallery. We got all these buildings around us that we can use and repurpose for hotels. Guys, what are we doing? People come to South Africa or to Johannesburg because they want to see Joubert. They don't want to go to Sandton or Rosebank, okay? They want to come here. Here's where the action is where the soul is where the history is, guys. So let's transform the city. Oh cool, they have a jungle gym here. Huh. Oh, look at this place. Imagine the potential of this place. And then with that greenhouse there, guys, imagine, just imagine the powerhouse that we have here for tourism, guys. Come on, let's wake up. Let's wake up. Let's wake up. We got tons of stuff to do in this city. And I want to compete against Cape Town, to be honest. That's my dream. Joubert against Cape Town. Siabonga! So this is how it looks like on the outskirts of the park. So there is this market here. Now we're gonna see the various teams working. So we're starting on this side. Look at the amount. Already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. Don't worry. There we are at the moment, so we came all the way from there. So this is hijacked, this is abandoned. Oh wow, so they're gonna start renovating it. Oh, that's great news. This one is privately owned, and then you got this hijacked one here, and then we're gonna transform that one. It's crazy. We're gonna go there now. So this one also went up in flames. It used to be an old hotel, eh? Imagine.
Finally, they vacated. Otherwise, they don't want to move out. This
Wow.
Even that one, this next to this with the red color.
Yeah.
The next one is hijacked. You can
That
see
one there.
what's happening.
Oh yeah, I can see what you mean. Yeah. Okay. Very interesting. I never saw the bus stops being cleaned before, but they're also maintenance regularly done. So I'm going now running around just to see basically the different sides of the operation, so we need to go block by block. This is also a tour of Hillbrow, guys. I'm just showing you guys the place, or what I can show you, of course. There you go, another one that was revamped. Look at this well-maintained church. Look at this. Incredible, really. Let's do that, but I also want to show how Hillbrow is actually a touristic place. Look at this, next to the Hillbrow Tower. What a shot! Look at this avenue. What a shot. 6, right? Bags right here. How it looks like. So this is the building that I was saying it was hijacked. But funny thing, look at the cameras there. So this part here is not going to be cleaned today, but we're going to clean during the week. Yeah.
We love ourselves. We love ourselves. We love ourselves. We love ourselves. Keep Jersey clean. Keep Jersey clean. Keep Jersey clean. Keep Jersey beautiful.
I don't know if you guys understand, but these people are risking their lives by doing this, you know. Doing that is, something else. Can get bad infections by doing this type of work. And let me tell you guys, and let me bust now the myth, okay? This is work that it's done from Monday to Friday, okay? So the city is clean. If you don't come to the city every day, you will not see it's actually clean, guys. So they don't work on Saturdays and Sundays, right? So that's why people litter most of the time. But Monday morning to Friday, things are always clean. So yes, we are using our tax pay his money in the right way. But I'm going to start to go on the ground with them on a daily basis for you guys to see what's going on. I can see it, eh? So this is the student accommodation, brand new. And let's see who's the developer to give them their baton height. Alright, so the idea here is we're going from street to street. We finish cleaning the street, we put the bags there, pick it up, we'll come later to pick it up the bags, and that's how we move around these blocks basically. So this is kind of a problematic road to clean, but let's see what we can do. Awesome. She taking that stuff. Okay, so this is one of those corners that we really need to clean. Okay, so the things about these places here where the taxis stop, you know, there are people cooking, but then there is no storm rain water, there is no public bathroom, so you know, places like that one day become like basically where people are going to relieve themselves, you know what I mean? So it'll be interesting if we can actually come here and disinfect one of these places. Okay, I'm gonna start cleaning this now. Okay, so there we're just waiting for the bobcat from Pick It Up to do it. There we go. Just want to show you guys how this look like, so this is a before and after basically. Hey, guess what guys? Actually they came very quickly, I'm really impressed. Look at this. Oh wow. Yeah. It's almost done. Okay, let me just show you guys now how it looks. Oh, it looks way better now. Done. So this is where we actually started. Oh, looks way better. There you go. Yo guys, look at this. We just came back now. Look at all the garbage they just took out of Joubert Park. Okay guys, there we go. We actually done. This is the finale of the video. Let me know what you guys think. Share, subscribe, and destroy that like button. I'll see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.